Don't start yet. There's Miranda. Are we gonna fix our hair before we do this? Cause look at my hair. Look at my hair. That would be awesome. I just ate YouTube. I just ate you, YouTube viewers. Now I'm gonna throw you up. Holy balls. Holy balls. Miranda likes to eat frozen pickles. There you go. I am your father. Alright, that was test number 2.